Okay, Justice, to solve this second problem, it's a composite figure, which means that it's made up of two different shapes. So what we have to do is imagine that this is a shape by itself, and this is a shape at the bottom. Now this one here, this whole thing is 6 meters long. This little edge right here is 2 meters. So we can find the length of this side here by taking 6 and subtracting 2 from it, which would make this be 4 meters. And since this length here is already 4 meters, this makes a cube. So to solve that, what I would do is find the volume of that cube. The formula for the volume of a cube is side cubed. So that would be 4 cubed. 4 cubed is the same as saying 4 times 4 times 4. That's 64. And now I need to find the volume of the bottom part. This is a rectangular prism that is 6 by 6 by 2, I believe that is. Let me double check. This is hard to see. Let me blow this up on here. Yeah, by 2 meters. So that's 6 by 2. So to find the volume of a rectangular prism, we've multiplied length times width times height. The length is 6, the width is 6, and the height is 2. So that would be 6 times 6, which is 36, times 2, which is 72. So now we take 64 and 72 and add it together. That gives us 136 meters cubed. That's 2, 6, 6. How did they get 140? Okay, I don't know why that answer is not on your sheet, but the answer is 136. The next problem, number 3, asks to find the volume of a cube that has 10 meters, a length, width, and a height of 10 meters. So for that one, for number 3, again, you would use the formula for the volume of a cube, which is volume is equal to side cubed. So that would be 10 cubed, which is equal to 1,000. Meters cubed. Number 4 is finding the volume of a triangular prism. And that would be the area of the base times the height. So the volume of that is 1/2 base times height times height, which the second height is the height of the prism. So that would be, I'll put it in my calculator as 0.5 because 1/2 is equal to 1.5. So that would be 0.5 times 4 times 5 times 10, which is equal to 100 inches cubed. The last one on what you sent me asks for the surface area of the solid, and that's a rectangular prism. So what we have to do, we notice that on that figure, opposite sides are the same. So this side here is 11 inches by 5 inches, and there's another side on the other side that's the same exact. And we got the base, the bottom, which is 6 by 11. The top and the bottom is 6 by 11. And then we've got this side right here, this end and that end, that is 6 by 5. So since we have 2 of each sides, the formula for the surface area of that prism is 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height and 2 times width times height. So that's going to be equal to 2 times 11 times 6 plus 2 times 11 times 5 plus 2 times 6 times 5. And so 2 times 11 times 6 is 132. And that's going to be plus 2 times 11 times 5, which is 110. And plus 2 times 6 times 5, which is 60. Then we add all that together and we get the surface area. So 132 plus 110 plus 60. So we have a surface area of 302 meters squared. All right, I hope that helps.